it's David Greene, founder and CEO of R3 Stem Cell, the nation's leader in regenerative cell therapies. I'd like to take this opportunity to introduce our first training course of 2020. It's going to be the weekend of January 25th in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, over that week, there's actually going to be 4 different courses, so let me explain. On that Wednesday, the 22nd of January, we're going to have a PDO thread lifting certification course. What that is, if you've ever used thread lifts, they are really, really exciting. They're absorbable sutures that either are smooth or have barbs on them, which can be a great addition to an aesthetics practice for lifting up nasolabial folds or reducing marionette lines, helping with neck or the body, and we have certified trainers for that. It can be awesome with biologics. On Thursday and Friday, we're offering our Regenerative Aesthetics course. And this includes regenerative medicine for hair restoration, facial rejuvenation, and sexual wellness. We've had nothing but 5-star feedback from the providers who have attended our courses over the last year for regenerative aesthetics. And our motto at the courses is see one, do one, have one. Okay, so it's totally hands-on, and that's really what you need to feel comfortable when you start doing those procedures back in your practice the next day or the next week. Now, on Friday and Saturday, we're having our comprehensive stem cell training course. We've been doing those for a couple years now with amazing feedback. The first day is predominantly didactic, where you'll hear presentations on sales, marketing, biologics and exosomes, as well as microneedling, ultrasound, and also supplements and things to help amplify your stem cell outcomes. All right? And then on Saturday, we rent out a full surgery center, and you'll be able to, once again, see one, do one, have one for all types of procedures. Now, on Sunday, we've added on an ultrasound-specific course, and it's actually an ultrasound injection course. So for 5 hours, you'll be able to have ultrasound on yourself, do it on others, and perform injections. It's critical because ultrasound is very convenient to have in your practice. It's not easy. It's very helpful to use image guidance for needle accuracy. It's also great in your practice to be able to, show patients that you offer image guidance, because that way you know the needles are accurate. It means a lot to patients when you use image guidance, because a lot of providers just don't do it. Now, you could sign up for individual courses over those 4 days. You could sign up for all of them, or we have combination packages, as you'll see on the registration page. Any questions that you have when you're deciding which courses to take, please just call us at 844-GET-STEM. Be happy to help you. We look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas. Thank you.